How to share your live location on Snapchat. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can simply share your live location with your friends on Snapchat. Just follow these simple steps. So first I need to open up the Snapchat application, and here I need to tap on chat icon at the bottom. Next I need to select some conversation, let it be this. Then I tap on person name, and here I see this feature, share my live location. I will tap on it, and here I can choose a duration until the friends will see my location. I will select 15 minutes, change to always allow, and now I see that 15 minutes left until Jessica Davis will see my location. To stop sharing your location, just tap on this button stop, and I not share any longer my location to this person. So now you know how you can simply share your live location with your friend on Snapchat. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you. See you next time.